warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will presentation detail about wheelchair. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Naya Putri Afifa, and the title is National Institute of Health Pathway to Prevention Workshop, Physical Activity and Health for Wheelchair User. For this slide, why this is need PNO. Physical activity directly affects mobility, muscle tone, endurance, and daily function are central aspects in prosthetic and orthotics practice. The second, understanding barriers to exercise help P&O professional design better assistive devices, such as adaptive wheelchair and exercise support. Further highlight the need for integrated rehabilitation program that combine orthotic support with accessible fitness solution. And then for the purpose of this study, objective, the first to review and evaluate current evidence and physical activity for user wheelchair, to identify barriers, facilitator, and intervention that improve participation in physical activity, and to provide recommendation for future research and clinical practice related to wheelchair user health and mobility. For the material and methods from the title is study design, conduct as an NIH pathway to prevention P2P workshop. Review includes studies from 1990 until 2020. Expert from public health, rehabilitation, and mobility sciences participated. For the method, systematic review of literature and expert discussion, and evaluate physical activity outcomes such as cardiovascular health, quality of life, and participation. For the result, key findings, there is limited research on the long-term effect of physical activity for wheelchair users. Evidence support positive effect of exercise on cardiovascular health, strength, and mental well-being. For the barriers identified, lack of accessible facilities, transportation problem, limited equipment designed for wheelchair users, low motivation, and lack of guidance. For the facilitator, peer support, adaptive equipment, and supervise programs. For the conclusion, physical activity is safe and beneficial for most wheelchair users. Rehabilitation teams, including P&O professionals, should encourage and guide appropriate exercise programs. Need for more inclusive research and community-based intervention to support long-term participation. For the clinical implication, designing user-centered adaptive mobility equipment and structured training plan can help wheelchair users achieve better health and independence. And this is my references, and thank you. Thank you for attention. Sorry for our mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.